currency strength index. So we want to know what the dollar index is. Lloyd's going to have a look at all the currencies based on their basket, what they're worth as an index, and how perhaps to take positions based on that. Lloyd, are you with us? Here he is.
Hi, Paul. Yep, I'm with you. Okay, so let's see what happened last week for the last two trades. So for CAD yen, I wasn't triggered into CAD yen. I mean, the direction was right for me, just that I don't have a trigger for it. So CAD actually did rise. Probably Ainslie already explained why. Now, I had suffered a loss for dollar Swiss. Yeah. So price actually did trigger me in with this bearish bar. I was taken in, and I think the next day I was taken out again. Yeah. So it's been quite some time since I actually suffered a loss with this particular way of analyzing. Yeah. So, but I think I got to pay my dues sometimes. So all is fair and good. Now, with coming up this week is that not much has changed, but what is being upgraded is that pound. I'll be quite bullish about pound for this coming week. Yeah, so for last week, I was actually expecting pound to retest 140. It didn't, so it ends up on the weekly bar. It gave me a pretty bullish bar. So now this is just to me a short-term horizontal level, really just for me to take profits. So this upcoming week, I'll be looking for any opportunities to long pound. Yeah, it does have great potential. You can see that from 2016, it broke into this huge weekly range. After that, it hasn't really pierced above 140 for quite some time. Now it has closed above 140. Now on a really bullish outlook, it might even go up to 170, but that's really being optimistic. But what I'm trying to put forth is that is there potential for pound to grow? There is. Yeah. So when price goes close above 140 and it doesn't really show any bearish bar, pretty positive about it. So let's stay tuned and look out for trading opportunities to long term. CAD. Now, I'm still bullish about CAD, but being mindful that there's a strong horizontal level here. So this coming Monday, I will see how CAD reacts to this horizontal level. If it's Monday, it's going to be a bullish close, then I'll be happy to look for more opportunities to jump in for CAD to go long. Now, Swiss a bit hazy about this. Hasn't really shown where it wants to go. Last week, I was being bullish about it, but you can see that this is a doji bar for me. Neither bearish nor bullish, so I'll just chuck it one side. Don't really wish to trade it. Kiwi, same thing for me. I think it's becoming best buddy with Aussie. This two just seems to be stuck in this range. Doesn't seem to know where to go. But that also means that for range traders, there will be opportunities to look out for if you are range trading them. Especially if you pair this two up together. I'm not a range trader per se, so I don't really trade. I don't really want to trade any pair that is non-directional for me. Now Euro, this is interesting for me. For Euro, you can see that short-term horizontal level doji bar. Now and the week before is actually a high test bar. So what this suspect to me is that bears might be coming in for Euro. Yeah. So keep a lookout for short opportunities for Euro. And if it really turns into a bearish bar, we can be trading a first retracement, and this would be I would say a fantastic trend trading opportunity. Yeah. DXY for this week, as expected, price when it comes to horizontal level, if it does not break fast, just hold your horses. Usually the opportunity might come 2 or 3 weeks down the road. Yeah. So I'm still be bearish about dollar. Yeah. This is $90. And you can see from past $90, this is a huge level to break. Yeah. So price might just linger at this level for, I would say, probably a month. I don't really know, but my point being that at horizontal level, especially huge number, $90, be wary. Yeah, no doubt the overall trend is looking bearish. Yeah, so I will still be loading up bearish position for dollar. Just that, be responsible about it. My way of doing it is just to reduce risk. Yen, very nice bearish bar at this level, so I'm just going to short it all the way to $90. Yeah. So for the upcoming week ahead, what I'm going to look out for is really I'm trying to trade pound yen. Yeah, you can see that on the 4-hour chart, bullish bar, sort of like mini flag for me. So I like trading these such patterns. 2 ways for me to go about it. Either I wait for a break and retest of the high, or I'm just wait for a fake breakout, and then I'll put in a long position. Now, I'm still gonna short dollar Swiss. Yeah, I lost our position on dollar Swiss last week, but this week, since I'm still bearish about dollar Swiss, I'm just waiting for price to break below the same horizontal level, which now has the added benefit of trend line. So at this position, I'm going to put in a short position if it does happen for me. Still the same method, break and retest, nothing fanciful. That's all for me.
Cheers, Lloyd. Thanks for that. If you need to borrow my TradingView login at some stage, mate, to stop the pop-ups, just let me know. You can just log into my account and do it. Thank you very much for that, mate. Always fascinating. It's a bit of a different way of looking at markets.